Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Take a look. New Highmark Stadium construction update. New Highmark is already taking shape. By mid-April 2024, around 1,000 metal parts had been installed, but around 20,000 pieces of steel will be needed to finish the first two stages of construction. In total, around 25,000 tons of metal will be needed to complete the entire project, which will cover levels 3 to 5. According to the plans, some of the steel is produced close to the site of the project. 60% of the metal that will be used in the 62,000-seat stadium project will be created in New York State, and almost all of the steel will come from the United States. The concrete for the foundations is about 90% complete. New utilities have also been installed around the stadium. One of the arena's ramps will soon be filled with cement to finish the foundations in the southeast corner of new Highmark Stadium. Prefabricated concrete stairs will be placed around the bowl. It will replace the Bills' existing stadium of the same name and is expected to open in time for the 2026 NFL season. The 62,000-seat stadium is being built adjacent to Erie Community College's South Campus, across the street from the existing Highmark Stadium, which will be demolished following the completion of the new stadium.